for first time this year, we have created and we deliver what we call the FSTU Facilitator Training. And because I guess we have created a lot of maybe misunderstanding or confusion to people, I just want to make it clear right now for all of us to understand. So this is 7 days. And what is important about this training is that even that is the beginning of a network that we have created, like this is complete by itself. This is a certified program that is complete by itself. What does it mean? That someone can choose and come and do this training, participate, and stay there. What you can do with this training is you get qualified and you learn how to facilitate our process in the world as a meditation. You do it you offer it in 1 hour meditation, or you offer it an event in the festival, or you include it in the workshops that you may already do. It depends also on your background and the work that you are doing. And also what we learn in this training is our unique essence that we have in FSTU, that the most important is the heart guided, that the heart is guiding. So it's a lot about trust, the intuition and the intelligence of the heart, and let this really reflecting out of you. And then from the people that they have the calling and they already work with people in one-to-one, they give sessions or they want to start giving sessions, we go in what we used to offer up to now all these years, that we call it the FSTU From Separation to Unity Practitioner Training. This is an 8 days, and what you learn here is how to use this meditative journey of FSTU in one-to-one. So you are the one that is sitting here, the explorer it comes, and here what we move, how we move is you really learn how to be in the space created by stillness and silence and start feeling comfortable there, and also how to guide someone in the space. In this part, you go one step further than this. That means that how you work with someone in the space. So here you are able to, from this space, to open a dialogue, to use language and really work with an issue that someone brings, or a trauma, or whatever is there. And also beyond this, that also I want to say that someone that choose to move here in the practitioners, it just maybe choose to stop here. And then we have another training that is called, the work that we do with couples. FSTU couples sessions. And this is the only difference, is that in here is one-to-one, in couple sessions, because a different dynamic, you work with a couple that they bring a theme or an issue that they want to work together. And also the network is expanding again from the beginning of facilitator training in what was my vision and dream for so many years, you know it, and now we start developing, that is, we don't have yet the name clear, but actually what it is FSTU Death Coaching. This is, as you know, it's my dream. I wanted always to create this process that actually how with the process, and not really the process, but with the essence and the atmosphere of FSTU, we accompany someone to go back home, to die. And we talk about real death. We don't talk about someone that is dying in 6 months or he's in a process of dying like he has a disease, because with this we can work with practitioner training, but maybe we can include it here. But actually this is mostly to the people that are already in the deathbed, that they are dying, you know. And we really be there with our presence and the love and all the space we create. We really help them to complete this journey in this lifetime. This inspired a lot about this live that I did a few years ago with our friend that left his body, that he asked me to be there, and I accompanied him in the last hour. So it's really something, and I'm very happy that now it's developing. And also this part is coming, it starts also from the same point that this is FSTU Facilitator Training. And also something that we talk for some time now is a process that we already use, is the FSTU ecstatic dance. And this is a training that still has the same starting point, and you learn all the technical things about the softwares that you use to choose music or everything. And however, the quality in ecstatic dance that we all know and love, to bring the quality of FSTU, starting with FSTU or finishing with FSTU, by guiding the people and help the people to ground or to start and be in the dance with this atmosphere of the heart consciousness. And what I love in this software is that this is our starting point, and this is a training that starts in a little more than 2 weeks. And from here we have all this amazing network that someone can move in practitioner training, and from here he can go to the death coaching, and from here he can go to ecstatic, or from here just go to ecstatic, and from here he can go to practitioner. So it's this communication from here goes to the cab. So it's really a network that has a lot of connections there. And so this is because we have received so many questions the last days. What is the difference between practitioner and facilitator? So this is a great opportunity to explain our whole, let's say, study or education system that we have created. And I'm very happy about it. Like, it's this uniqueness of FSTU, because many, they say that they don't know us why I should come in this facilitator training. And really, what is our qualities? What is the quality of our work? Is this facilitating, just responding in now, like by feeling the space and the atmosphere and the dynamic of the people that you have in front of you, and really having us responsibility, the ability to respond in the moment in what is happening, and the heart guiding, that the heart is guiding this journey.
So you're saying FSTU death coaching, maybe it's FSTU for dying?
Yes, I think this is
clear.
We already put it after here. I think this will be the name. It's very direct and it's very beautiful, I think. Or FSTU for dying, and maybe on brace like as a subtitle like coming home or something like this.
Because this is when somebody's actually died.
Yes.